You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 7/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1/3 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Convert the t into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. And so the final result is t equals 7/3.